Venn diagram already. But in general, it's a circle that represents a group of things, and then multiple circles create the Venn diagram. Really, the relationship between those sets is the value of a Venn diagram. So, circles of a Venn diagram represent sets of things. Those things are called elements. Venn diagrams represent things that might be common to multiple sets or exclusively just in one set. So there's three basic relationships within a Venn diagram that we want to know. One is called disjoint. That means the two groups are not related at all. Dogs and chairs have no overlap. We have dogs. We have chairs. There's nothing that we could say that is in both groups. No chairs are dogs, and no dogs are chairs. There are no elements in common between the sets. Second one is called an intersection. Some chairs are wood. We have chairs. And then we have our set of all wooden objects. Some objects that are wooden are not chairs. Some chairs are made of metal, so they're not wooden. But there are some objects that are both chairs and wooden at the same time. So there are some elements that are in common between the two sets. The last one, there's different words for this, but we're going to call it a subset. And that's when one group is completely contained within the other group. All cats are animals. We have our group of cats, and we have all animals. If something is a cat, then it's also an animal. It's automatically inside the bigger group. That is called a subset of the bigger group. All elements of one set are contained in the other set. The contained set is called a subset of the larger group. Note that there's also some things that are outside of cats. There's dogs that are animals, but not cats. So everything in here is contained in the bigger group. It doesn't work the opposite way. All right. For these we try questions, we're just going to try to fill in the blank with all, some, or none. Blank cloudy days are rainy days. There's some cloudy days that are not rainy days. It's just cloudy, not raining. But there's some cloudy days where it does happen to rain, so some cloudy days are rainy days. However, all rainy days are cloudy days. Anything that we think of in this set is also contained within the bigger set of cloudy days. All rainy days are cloudy days. If there's rain, there has to be a cloud that forms that rain. Blank students don't go to the beach. So we have people who go to the beach, and then students. Some students don't go to the beach. That's these people. Some students do go to the beach. That's anybody in the intersection there. So we have some. Blank people go to the beach are students. That is talking about this group. Some people who go to the beach are students. However, some people who go to the beach are not students. So that's some again. All right, now we're going to draw Venn diagrams just based on these couple statements. All golfers are athletes. I'm going to start with that one. All golfers are athletes. I'm going to label that as, actually, I'll just write the word golfers. Every golfer is an athlete, so golfers has to be a subset of the group of athletes. All babies are not athletes, so we know that they're not inside of that big circle. Babies are separate from golfers and athletes. There is no intersection between those two groups. They are called disjoint. All glebes are globs. So obviously this is going to be nonsense, but we're trying to just think about what this is saying. All glebes are globs. So it kind of starts off the same way we did this one. Glebes are inside the group of globs. Globes are globs, but they're not glebes. So there's an implied word all here. When it just says globs are globs, it's really meaning all globs are globs. So we know that globs are going to be inside of the glob circle, but they're not glebes. So they're not going to intersect with glebes at all. Globes and glebes are disjoint, but glebes and glubs are both subsets of globs. One more just with these simple Venn diagrams, just trying to decide if these statements are true or false. Some stupid monkeys play poker. So we have intelligent beings, we have monkeys, and the whole group is poker players. So some monkeys are intelligent. They're in the middle group there. Some monkeys are not intelligent. That's this one. And they do play poker. They're all poker players. So there are some stupid monkeys that play poker. That is true. All poker players are intelligent. Well, we just kind of said that can't be true because we just said some stupid monkeys play poker. Anything in this group is an intelligent poker player. Anything outside of that group is not an intelligent poker player. So that's false. No intelligent people play poker. Well, we pretty much just said that. There's some intelligent people, and they're inside the poker player group. That is false. Some intelligent, all, that really should be all intelligent people play poker. This is the group of intelligent people, and this isn't really true, but in this case, we're just following the logic of this Venn diagram, saying that all intelligent people, and actually saying all monkeys play poker.